So, very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I request all of you to please take your seats to join us for the session, which is Policy and Regulatory. I would like to invite the panelists for the session, Mr. Vivek Joshi, Executive Director, Natural Gas Society, Mr. Deepak Mahurkar, Partner Leader, Oil and Gas Advisory, PwC India, Mr. Mahesh Shedbal, VP Commercial Pipeline Infrastructure Limited, Mr. Subir Purkayastha, and Mr. Deepak Mehta. Mr. Vivek Joshi is the Executive Director of the Natural Gas Society, a support partner of Gastech and an industry body which seeks to promote the growth and development of the natural gas sector in India and develop a cohesive voice for the natural gas industry in the country. He started his career as a journalist with the Indian Express and later joined the industry. He was with GAIL for over 20 years, where he has held senior positions in HR, marketing, corporate communications, CSR, and training. He was the executive director and advisor at GAIL India Limited. He is widely traveled and a regular speaker at gas conferences and programs. Mr. Joshi has a graduate degree in science from Delhi University and an MBA from FMS Delhi. Now I hand over the session to Mr. Joshi.
Good afternoon, everybody. And you deserve the first mention for the good afternoon because you stayed back. And the next one is to the panelists. Normally the moderator has the onus for concluding a program successfully, a session. But here I think we have very capable panelists here for you. And so if the session is really successful, it is up to them. If it is not, you can blame me. But I had half an intention of closing that door so that you don't run away after you've sat down. So let me begin first. We will, if my panelists agree, we will go through this session. I'll give a brief background on what we are talking about. And then we have a small word from each panelist on that, and then we can go ahead with some of these structured questions. Now, if it's okay with you, we are touching on the current policy and regulatory push, and you can all see this. Whatever is left in that slide is covered in this, but there has been since the morning a lot of talk on policy and regulatory, so the task is a bit easier and a bit difficult. This is a well-known slide along with the talk of 15% and gas-based energy. This is probably the third most used slide in gas meetings and seminars. And I hope you can see this clearly as the emerging CD framework in the country. This I have just put some data in front of you. There are no comments. The comments are to come from the panelists. But this data is tracking the trend on oil production, on gas production, and policy. Now it's up to you to make out whether the policy has had an impact or not. Similarly, this data is talking about the CGD consumption and infrastructure. And you can see at the bottom the tracking of the trends with respect to both of these things. So there's policy, and there's regulatory and in the beginning, and there's infrastructure. We do normally in NGS a study, so I just added this slide and I will end it here on the kind of demand and supply estimates that we have done in the last year, maybe in the beginning of the last year. So this will be slightly short of that, but we are around this place somewhere. Now, I will take this out from here. And it's a privilege to have the kind of panel I have with me. At the same time, I must admit that a bit overawed by the presence of people who are far more thorough on the subject than I can ever hope to be. So let me first introduce the panelists. Mr. Deepak Mohorkar is a known person in the oil and gas industry, has been in the practice for several years. He is a mechanical engineer with PG in finance and marine engineering, currently undergoing a doctoral thesis on energy policy. He is the national leader of oil and gas industry practice in PwC India. And he has done diverse consulting, technical, marketing and commercial assignments during this year. He's also a member of several prestigious committees of the Indian energy sector, the Security Subcommittee of Hydrocarbon of FICCI, the Policy Planning Committee of PFI, and the programs of the Government of India. So we welcome you, Deepak, and hope you will be giving a bit of your experience to these people. Then I have with me a colleague in GAIL, former Director of Finance of GAIL, Mr. Subir Purkayastha. He's a chartered accountant, company secretary, and has over 30 years of experience in finance for GAIL over various non-financial, financial matters regarding the gas industry. Welcome, Subir. Then I have with me Mr. Mahesh Shedbal. Shedbal is also a former colleague at GAIL, and he's got about 25 years of experience in the industry. Presently, he is associated as Vice President with Pipeline Infrastructure Limited and has expertise in sales purchase negotiations, sourcing of gas, and service in terms of imbalance management services, etc. Then we have Deepak here. Deepak is, and I'm sure you'd like his brief. He is the part of one of the newer organizations and is head of business development at the Indian Gas Exchange. So they're setting up a gas exchange. He holds a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering from Bangalore University and a postgraduate MBA. He has over 20 years of experience in natural gas oil industry, and before joining India Gas Exchange, he worked with MCX. So we have a full panel here from which you can really draw what you want. Now, if I can start with you, Deepak. First two, okay. Deepak Mohorkar, if I can start with you. So your first brief, no. Thank you. Your first brief, what you would like to say on this topic?
Sure. Very good afternoon to you. Salute to all the industry veterans sitting here. And since I have the mic for the first time in this session today, let me compliment Mr. Vivek Joshi for an amazing job being done in Natural Gas Society. It's come as a fresh breath to many people, where conglomeration of information, data, and its genuine dissemination was lacking in the industry, which Natural Gas Society has started very aptly. Thank you also to the organizers of this session to bring such a nice audience together.